What's up guys, this is MotoRB. Today we're going to be working on the 2015 Yamaha R3. I'm going to do the spark plug change. It's been already a year. It's actually over a year, so I need to do it now. And I'll show you guys exactly what to do and the tools you're going to need to get to it. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I took off the tank. I'll show you. So here's the tank. The bolts I took off were the top ones here. What size were they? 10? Yeah, 10 millimeter.
Okay, these are the front two. These are 10. And then these two are the back ones. So these guys are here. These guys are here.
So we took them off from there, and from the bottom right here. And you can see that. But now the inside. So there's the two. We got the one coil pack right there. That's the other one. The spark plugs are in the little hole. This is the 5/8. So it'll be in there. Got it. And there we go. Holy crap, that is there we go. So there we go, we got that spark plug out. You can see that's really, it's been bad. It needs to be changed. So I already got new ones over there, so let's just take the other one out. So here we go guys, we got some NICs. Gonna put on those spark plugs right now. We put a little bit of NICs on here. Okay, that's too much. Gotta make sure you twist it by hand first. Say one cross threaded. So you should be able to feel it that it catches. There we go. Should be good. Usually it would be around 5 foot-pounds of torque, so it shouldn't be too much. So it's just a quick wrist bend. Alright, now to the next one. Some thread anti-seize here. Might be too much, but there we go. The same thing, just go carefully, go by hand, and you should be able to feel the threads catch, and keep it straight so you won't cross thread it. So, and it's tight right there. And there we go. And that's pretty much it for the spark plugs. Now you just put in the coil packs back in. Just be careful with the tank. Okay, so there we go. We have both coil packs back on there. Should be snug. Everything should be good. Maybe later on they'll be updating the blackout plate right there. But right now, that's good. Now we put the tank back on. So here's the bolts we were talking about. So we got that one right there that we took off. Those ones back here. So those two. And the cover is right there. You can slide on. There we go. Spark plugs. Spark plugs were old already. It's been what, 2 years since I got the bike? 2 years. I forgot to do those spark plugs, but now at least it's done. It should feel good riding it. So we finished up the spark plug installation on the Yamaha R3 2015. Overall, if you want to see a particular kind of video, let me know. The last video was the oil change. The next video is going to be the coolant. But if you want to see a particular kind of video, comment. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification button to notify you for upcoming videos. And I got a Patreon page. If you want to support me there, check it out. So I got different kind of levels. You can support me there and check it out. Alright guys, see you later. Peace out.